Over here in Microsoft Publisher, you can access the quick access toolbar to access settings much more quicker than you usually would. For example, at the top you can see that this is the quick access toolbar, and right now there's the save button and undo and redo. You can also enable other functions right here by clicking on the drop down menu right here, clicking on new, open, and so forth. So you can see that all of these settings start to appear over here at the top. So let's say, for example, I just enable the spelling. So if you want to check the spelling, you can just click over here and the spell check will actually just come up just like that. So over here on the top, you can also see that you have option to add in more commands. So in order to do that, you can go into more commands right here, and there are different sort of commands as you can see. So you can simply select the command that you want from the popular commands like bring forward, add, and that command has been added. So once you press OK, that command is there, as you can just see. You can also go over here, go into more command, and remove these commands right here. For example, I can remove this out. You're gonna go for more commands, you can just go over here, and there are a lot of options that you can choose from. For example, you can add in the command from this individual tabs right here, for example from the insert tab, and over here there are a lot of other tabs right here, home tab, admin tab, and so forth. You can also go for all commands and choose the command of your choice, just like that. For example, you can simply add in edit text right here, add, press OK, and it appears right there. You can have the quick access toolbar appear at the top or at the bottom. If you want to appear, if you want it to appear at the bottom, you can just go into the drop down menu right here and click on show below the ribbon. So you can see that now the quick access toolbar appears below, just like this. So now if you want to send it back up, just go to the drop down menu and go to show above the ribbon. So that is how you can use the quick access toolbar inside of Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.